Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy, and at the top we've got special permissions, so let's tap. Here we have to localize the option called Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser, instead from Google Play Store. So let's simply find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher. Here you've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now, after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. And of course, it works the same with all other apps. You can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.